All right, if you're thinking about making a move to Roseburg, then this neighborhood might be on your radar. We are in the West Harvard neighborhood, and houses are between 350 and 450 in the West Harvard. Most of them are single level homes. Really great neighborhood, super quiet. So this neighborhood is super convenient. I mean, we are just blocks away from all your major shopping, restaurants, or whatever you need. So you are in for a treat today because I am going to take you for this tour in this house, 1,800 square feet. It is 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and it has a special little shop. So you are not going to want to miss this. So check it out. All right, let's check out this house. Let's go. All right, so this is one of the coolest things about this house. This garage is actually a full two-car garage. It's actually 1,000 square feet, and it has got this little bonus room right back in here. So this could be an office or a workout room, as you can see. So it's all heated. There's the heat vent right there. Heated and cooled in here. So this could be a great workout room, great office, whatever you need. And its own private door that goes right out into the patio. Check that out. And then check out this yard. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. And then you're not going to want to miss this. Check this out. You've got your own RV parking. All the way back there, completely fenced from the yard. So that is super cool. Super handy if you've got an RV or a boat or whatever. That will work. So if you are thinking about making a move to Roseburg and interested about checking out this house, give me a call, text, email. All my contact info is in the description below. I'd love to talk to you about it. And check out these other video about the neighborhoods in Roseburg. And this one falls in it. So with that, I'll talk to you guys later.